How to turn off voice direction on Apple Maps. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. If you want to disable the voice direction on your Apple Maps, then here in this video I'll share the step-by-step guide. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to disable the voice direction on Apple Maps, simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device. And then scroll down to the very bottom right here, tap on apps, and then simply go ahead and search for maps. Once you get the map, go ahead and tap on this point, and from this page you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the option called the spoken direction. Go ahead and tap on this point, and you just need to turn off all this option right from here. I'm going to turn off the direction pause spoken audio, and then direction wake devices, and also turn off the direction on radio. You just need to turn off all this option and you're pretty much good to go. The spoken direction or the voice direction will be disabled from the Apple Maps. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.